Each year, Break Free from Plastic changemakers gather to reveal the top plastic polluters trashing our communities. With brand audits, people collect plastic waste and document the brands on each item. The corporations polluting the most places with the most plastic are named the world's worst plastic polluters. In 2020, almost 15,000 volunteers in 55 countries organized brand audits. Waste pickers also participated to highlight how low-value plastic packaging makes it hard for them to earn a living. This year, the world's top plastic polluters are the Coca-Cola Company, PepsiCo, Nestle, Unilever, and Mondelez International. We will not keep cleaning up after corporate polluters. It's time they take full responsibility for the plastic pollution crisis and adopt real solutions. They need to reveal the amount of plastic produced, drastically reduce it, and reinvent packaging for refill and reuse.